Yo, what is up everybody, and welcome along to a brand new series on this channel. The last one was the Flume inspired track from scratch. This one is the bass house inspired bass house track from scratch. Fuck, I don't know. I'm looking forward to it. I've been listening to a lot of bass house recently. I'm like, you know what? But yeah, I'm excited. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I've already like pre-prepared the track, so to say. It's already at 125 BPM, and I've roughly mapped out how I want the structure of the track to go. But yeah, primarily it's gonna be the drums this episode and a little bit of effects and stuff on top of that. Well, seeing as we're doing some bass house drums, it's appropriate we use our token bass house pack medallion. I'm gonna use the kick that doesn't really have a tone because I'm gonna underlie some sub later on in this episode. And why did I just fade in that transient? I've been listening to a lot of Abstract, and his like transients aren't that prominent and punchy. I was like, that's a cool idea. So I think I might do it for the series. The token 909 hat, which we'll save later. We're gonna do some classic closed hats now. Maybe trim that even a bit more. I want these intro jumps to be like short and punchy. Not that punchy. Although, we could drag it slightly to the left. It could kind of be like a shaker since it doesn't align with... Oh, it technically does align with that grid, but you know, it's a shaker now. Load in a few claps. I like to layer up on the claps. Makes them sound funky and stacked. Sweet. We'll get one more and then we'll do some real ones. And then we just need to sidechain the shit out of that now. We're gonna do left, right. I don't know if this is gonna work. This is just an idea in my head. Center. The built-in microphone, which should be interesting. I want to record some me claps to give it a bit of authenticity. Kind of like that real feel. If you heard of Ketronada, then you kind of know what the feel I'm going for is. Yeah. Oh, sweet, sweet. Delete that, and replace the really quiet ones. Completely accidental. It's way too loud, it needs some processing, and yeah, that should fix it. Gate there, a gate there, and a gate there. So it cuts out the noise that is lower than this threshold. Custom clap. I shouldn't have done this in the corner of a room, because yeah, acoustics aren't ideal. Let's just make it wider because we panned it. We need to make it wider. Oh, that timing is just... Oh, because it's so off. My bad. It's just got too much tail end in the clap, so I'm going to load in the drum bus, turn off all the drive and crap, and then turn the transients down. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, okay, there we go. And then let's group these all together, throw in some random percussion, some underlying subs, some effects, and then booyah. We definitely need some sidechain to the kick, so I'm just gonna load in that. I'm just gonna stick with one clap that really works and then just duplicate that. That one, there we go. You are the chosen one. Sweet, all right. I wasn't going to do this kind of processing that I'm thinking about now, but you know what? It's just going to happen. Yeah, get some bonzo on the dials. Alright, that is more than enough time spent on the drums, just for the intro as well, really. It's time for the sub. What are we going to use? I always use analog. Let's use Serum this time, just to spice things up. Is that? I've never done that before, let's try it out. Sounds a bit weird. Although we haven't added sidechain yet. Nah, it needs more texture. Oh, I had another genius idea. Yeah, delete the sidechain, freeze flatten. Bring back the sidechain. We'll do some pitchiness. Some transposition modulation. Yeah. Oh, swing it out there. And then take that pitch. Alright, I think we're all good on that front. Yes! Simple additions. That sounds fatty. Alright, let's load up with some random percussion effects and we'll see how we get on from there. Oh, this is so dumb, but yo, we're chucking it in. Check. Cool. Okay. Oh my god, breaks the wall. That would be a sick video. I'd watch that. So out of time. Oh shit. But Sam, that sounds like shit. How are you ever gonna fit it into your song? With the power of... That actually works. It actually works. Add some microshift, add some saturator. Done. Sweet. Yeah, no, I'm gonna name that channel Sweet. I'm actually, for one of the first times ever in these videos, I hardly ever use a drum rack. I'm actually gonna use it this time. It's a throwback to the Launchpad days, that's for sure. We'll just chuck some... We might use cowbells later on, who knows. And now the reason why I'm gonna use the drum rack for this instance is because I'm gonna hit record, do some random percussive sounds, hopefully sounds cool, and then once that's done, I'll take it and then quantize it to a swingy rhythm, and then hopefully that should provide some swingy aesthetics. Oh dear! Roughly quantize it. We'll do it by ear and hand. Oh, that's awful. Almost there, just some like brassy hits and then some top line effects. Boom, good to go. There's 125, we're on 125, and that is F, and we're on F. Sweet! I kinda wanna pitch that. Yeah, okay. Load up heaps of sidechain. Oh, that tail end. What if we just loop that and that became a madness? There to there? Is that even gonna sound cool? Who knows? Let's try it. Maybe with some other like grain delay effects, it could sound cool. Grain delay, because I recently discovered a cool feature. We're mucking around with grain delay and it actually sounds pretty cool. So, sync, we might leave that too, might change it to 1, dry, wet, down, feedback up a bit, and then change the pitch to 12. Should be like down here. Yeah. Add some automation, I don't know, we'll see if that works. You know what, that sounds pretty cool. I love overdrive. That's a reverb. Boom, there's a backing texture. Okay, let's get some vocal tings and then wrap up this episode. It was meant to be a short episode, but somehow we took forever doing the claps and a few other things, which I've seemed to have forgotten already. Yo! You know? Bucket! Alright! Let's take that, bark with it, pitch it up, chuck some effects on it, and see what happens.
Alright, alright, alright.
Nah, let's go 15. Let's not. Sounding a little bit weird at the moment. Hopefully with some effects we can fix that. Quantize. What about C and F? Because those notes work really well together. Oh my god, I had a mad idea. What about those notes go to C and these notes go to F? No. Did I lose everything? I hit Command Z by accident. Oh, fuck. That's so annoying. Oh, I did it again. Alright, don't hit Command Z if you make a mistake. Oh yeah, let's freeze flatten that before we hit Command Z and lose everything. Oh, what effects do we want? We want heaps of reverb. It's just meant to be like a blendy background thing. Oh, we could use grain delay and hope that it works this time. Yeah, hope that it works in the way we want it to work this time. Kinda. Maybe have it coming in the second rotation. Like here. Oh yeah! Take this. And we clip, transposition, pitch. Don't know. Show automation. Mute that so it doesn't mute the sidechain, but it mutes the kick audio. Oh yeah! Okay, booyah, spicy and fresh. Somebody keep a tally. Yeah, why not? Pitch up though. Almost in key. I think that's right. I'm kind of thinking whether the vocal chops actually sound better with this consistent F note instead of F to C. Let's just hear how it sounds. Let's do a mock-up before we auto-tune. That actually might sound alright, because the formants are shifting, which is sick. Yeah, that one FC. Yeah, that's the one. Sidechain to the... oh my god. Change the tones. We're not meant to be doing this part, Sam. Get a hold of yourself. Boom, boom, boom. Oh my god, what if we low pass that for this? at the start of this video, oh yeah, it's gonna be a short one today, you know, we just gotta do the drums and the intro. Meanwhile, final listen. Okay, sound card just pooed itself, so we're gonna try that again. Alright, successful part 1. This was the drums intro. Next episode is going to be the breakdown. That will probably be a short episode. Yeah, hopefully you guys are keen to see the series as much as I am to make it. And yeah, let me know your thoughts. Medallion, the pack I've been using throughout this episode, I guess. Link will be in the description. And if you did enjoy this video, be sure to leave a big thumbs up. I'm excited. I'll see you guys then. Have a great day and peace.